Okay. And looking at these next 2 pages, we're going to start off with the left one. I'll see how long this video is just because the longer I make it, the longer it takes to upload. Sorry. So looking at this first one, let me lock this picture in. If you ever have a picture, by the way, you can lock it. I didn't know that until a few days ago. So this is just writing each ratio into 3 different forms. One of them is done for you. So the top one is done for you. 8 boys to 6 girls. You can see this as a fraction in 8/6, which is what they did there. And then they simplified it to 4/3. Or you can write it as a ratio, I'm so sorry. And then as a proportion over here. So 16 flowers to 12 flower vases. This is going to be 16 to 12. And then if we simplify this, it becomes 4/3. That's just 16 divided by 12. And then I made it into a fraction. As a ratio, this is going to be 16 to 12 or 4/3. And then if we put it as a proportion, it is 16 to 12 or 4/3. So the purpose of this is, again, just to make that connection between fractions, proportions, and ratios. It's good practice. I'm going to leave those last 2 for you because I don't think this is too hard. Next, there are 42 boys and 36 girls in class. Write the boys to girls in the class. Ooh. I want you to do this. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do C, and then I'm going to have you do number 2, like all of this. So 4 boots to 12 ships, that's going to be 4 to 12. 4 divided by 12, or we can simplify this to 1/4. 1/3, sorry. And this becomes 4 to 12 or 1/3. And the ratio. And then if we write it down as a proportion, it's the same exact thing, just with the word 2 in the middle instead of 2 dots. Or 1/3. Okay. And then I'm going to let you do D. I'm also going to let you do A, B, and C of number 2. And then the proportions. Okay, we did this last class. Or last video. I'm gonna do B. And then I'll do A. I'm gonna do A. I'm gonna let you do B and C. So what we're gonna do for A, what I found to be the easiest is just to isolate K. So we're just gonna multiply both sides by 12. This gives us K equals 3/4 times 12. And then if we multiply the 3 and 12, we get 36/4. Simplify that, and you get 9. And 9's your answer. I'm going to let you do B and C, so if you want to take a video of that, go ahead. And yeah, this is your second video. The third one is going to be this one. Oh, I forgot to say, if you watched up to this point, send a cat emoji or the word cat.